everybody is on. Shots, 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 shots. Everybody! Shots, 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 shots. Everybody!
Structure. Stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Saline County in central Kansas until 6:30 p.m. At 5:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Salina and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. You can expect quarter-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Minor hail damage to vehicles, roofs and windows can be expected. Tree branches up to 3 inches in diameter may be broken. There may be minor damage to shingle roofs and metal outbuildings. Locations impacted include Gypsum and New Cambria. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 249 and 266. This includes Interstate 135 between mile markers 89 and 95. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm